Actually, hindi naman kami directly nag-work ni Bea before, but we were in Party Pilipinas before, when I was still with the Pop Girls. So nakikita-kita na din po kami before. So ngayong nakita ulit kami, parang hindi naman siya total stranger to me. Parang nakakausap na rin po kami before, and we also have may pinuntahan kami event together for ACG as well. So, hindi na siya total stranger. But I am really excited to be working with the new cast this time around. Kasi syempre, ang saya nung meron kang mga ibang makakatrabaho. Tapos para makita mo kung ano yung mga magiging dynamics nyo. Yun po, I'm really looking forward to working with Bea, but everyone especially.
Ako po, like Nadine said, kasi we also promote tax consulting firm, Asian Consulting Group. So we used to really, hi, hello, kumusta, ganun lang, diba? And even sa Party Pilipinas before, we used to have dance prods together, rehearsals together, ganyan. Pero that was like, how many years ago? So, I'm just really excited, and now, kumbaga, we belong to a one home, di ba? One roof na under Viva Artists Agency, and I'm just really excited to start. And yun, sobrang excited, not just tulad ng sinabi na din, hindi lang siya, pero sa lahat, and also Direk, I'm such a fan of Direk Nick, so, yeah.
And for you, Baden, kasi ang tagal mo nung huling nag-horror, di ba? So, kinakabahan ka pa ba ngayon na bagong klaseng horror naman ito? Kasi parang ang tagal na nung dati. Tsaka bihira ka naman gumawa ng horror.
Siyempre, kinakabahan po ako kasi it's out of my comfort zone. Kasi kahit naman nakagawa ka na ng isang horror project before, it's never the same. Diba? Unang-una, even yung mga technicalities, yung production team na kasama mo, yung yan sila, direct creative team, the story, iba rin naman siya. Tsaka iba yung parang inspiration ng pagiging horror niya. Tsaka yun, sobrang parang 17 pa lang yata ako nung ginawa ko, and 9 years ago. So, tagal na rin. So, basically, ngayon lang ulit, and very excited. And syempre, yung pressure nandun, nakakapanibago, nakaka-challenge, but I'm really very looking forward.